Okay, in this lesson, we're going to be looking at how to create a custom cut line around your stickers. Here's my finished project. I've got lots of stickers, 4 stickers on my 12 by 3 inch palette here. You are more than welcome to duplicate stickers if you want the same sticker over and over again. You'd want to design the sticker and then duplicate it, and you can very easily kind of lay that out. But here's the focus of today. First of all, there are different styles of cut lines you can do. If you like some simple shapes, so if you see these ones over here, these are simple shapes. The way to make those simple shapes is, number one, there's an ellipse tool where you can make a circle. And that's really easy to do to add a cut line. Number two, there is a tool also called the rectangle tool where you could add a rectangle around your sticker. Now what I want to focus on is more of these custom cut lines. Now out of these two, the second one is far, far superior for several reasons. First of all, the first one has a lot of jaggedy edges and a ton of what we call nodes. If you look here, all these little squares are nodes where I can connect these lines with, and there's just a whole bunch of them. In this second one, what you'll notice is I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 nodes in the entirety here. So when you're making your custom stickers, what you want to know is that less nodes is better. Now, in order to do this, what you're going to do, and it will take some practice, is go to, first of all, the Bezier tool. So the Bezier tool is this one right here. You'll have to hold down your left mouse on your freehand tool and go to the Bezier. Now, a couple of important things about the Bezier tool. Whenever you click, you make a node, and you want to add the nodes wherever you'd like to start a new curve. So if I click here under Michael Jordan's shoulder right there, I'm going to curve it around his head till about this point. That's going to be a curve, and then I can make a new curve until around the basketball. Then I want to start a new curve to about here under his armpit, maybe go around his waist to his hip, and then start a new curve until here, around his shoe. And again, this will take practice, but the idea of nodes is you create them whenever you would like to start a new curve or direction. Okay, so that's your first step. Next step, you want to go to something called your shape tool, which is this one right here. And really important is that with your shape tool, you drag a box over the entire shape that you just created so that all the nodes are selected. You'll see they're all blue here. You're going to right click and choose to curve. Now when you choose to curve, what it's going to allow you to do is actually pull these lines so that they can actually curve between the nodes. You'll find that sometimes zooming in helps you in order to curve these, and you want it kind of to be an equal distance away from your sticker design, so you're going to want to be a little bit picky. And as I'm doing this, you'll notice that some of these curves might not match perfectly, and we're going to be able to adjust that in just a second here after I show you this piece. Okay? So just pulling these out to kind of match the musculature of Michael Jordan, and there we go. Now what you'll notice is several of these curves, particularly around his head, the basketball, and around his fingers, don't match the curve very well at all. So the next thing you want to do is if you click on a node, you'll get these handles that you can actually adjust the specific curve. So this handle, if I pull it and pull this one, I can slowly make it match the shape of Michael Jordan's head. Same thing with the basketball here. I can pull on these nodes or on these handles, and that's going to allow me to match the shape of the basketball. Now, once you're happy, I'm just going to fix this one here. And there we go. Another thing about these nodes is if you'd like to, with your shape tool activated, you can actually move these around a little bit, these nodes, in case it's in the wrong spot. You can move them a touch. And that is the shape of my cut line. Now finally, what you'll notice about these cut lines is that when they are selected, it says at the bottom right-hand corner, 100% cut contour hairline. That is a necessary feature of your stickers. If it does not say that, you will need to start over again. So in order to do that, what you need to do is go to your pick tool, click on the cut line, and then right-click on this installed cut contour color. Okay, you'll see it's pink. And at the bottom, what you'll notice, it says 0.5 point. We need to change that to hairline. So if we double-click, we can then change the width to hairline. And at this moment, you always want to double-check with your pick tool that when you click on it, when you click on a cut line, that it says 100% cut contour hairline, just like you're going to see on all of these. Clicked on that one. This one does not say hairline, so I'm going to have to change it. This one, same thing. So it says 0.5. So make sure it says 100% cut contour hairline before you hand in your assignment.